look at this. Wow, a lots of fantastic vehicle. In my hand, it's a bulldozer, a yellow color bulldozer. Right now, it's a mixer truck, a big yellow color mixer truck. What's the next vehicle? It's a excavator, a big excavator. Wow, powerful excavator. Right now, in my hand, it's an excavator, but it's small in size than the other one. Can you guess what's the next vehicle? Wow, it's a roller machine, a yellow color, beautiful roller machine. What will be the next one? Can you imagine? Oh, it's a fantastic big gun. It's so fascinating. A big gun. It's colorful. What's our next vehicle? It's a rescue helicopter. A big rescue helicopter. What will be the next one? Oh, superb. It's a big yellow color dump truck. What's the last one? But it's amazing. It's a car, a super fast racing car. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.